Welcome to Fascia Masters Q&A with D&Q, episode 18. How does block therapy benefit jaw pain?
Hi there, my name is Deanna Hansen. I'm a certified athletic therapist and the founder of Fluid Isometrics and Block Therapy.
And my name is Quinn Castellane. I'm the VP of Block Therapy and the lead block therapist.
Jaw pain is something I know all too well, and there's a whole myriad of symptoms and issues that accompany jaw pain. It's not just pain in the jaw itself or pain with chewing or clenching. It affects the gums, it affects the teeth, it affects your thyroid, it affects the appearance of your jaw, headaches. This whole area is of huge importance, and it's extremely vulnerable to our fascia system and how we fall out of balance. So when we understand the fascia system as a whole and how our cells are supposed to be stacked on one another for proper cellular alignment, and then we understand the compressive force of gravity combined with unconscious posture and breathing, what ultimately happens over time as we age is we collapse in a forward rotational direction. And the jawbone itself is hinged to the skull through ligaments for the act of chewing. So there's a lot of mobility to this joint to create sound when we're talking, to be able to chew properly, also to be able to support the weight of the head correctly. And if we don't understand how to keep this joint and the whole fascia system in proper alignment, from that forward pull, that jaw starts to pull away from alignment, and our reaction is to clench, to try to create stability, to stop that bone from moving away. And that is, in my opinion, something that is so crucial that we need to look at. And again, when we're talking about the fascia, we're looking at the full body. Now, we just did a really great jaw intensive.
Virtual intensive, yeah.
And that was amazing. So we are targeting, of course, the work in through this area, but a lot of the work is up through the upper part of the rib cage into the throat. The thyroid gland is here. The carotid arteries, the major arteries supplying the brain, the head, all the structures up here. This needs to be open. The major lymphatic drainage site is right through here. So when we don't apply proper alignment to the tongue muscle and strengthening this muscle, ultimately we collapse, we pull forward, and this whole area becomes congested and blocked. And even a double chin, it's not a double chin, it's not a fat pocket, it's a fallen tongue. So to be able to understand what we need to do to create proper cellular alignment, to allow that jaw to move back and position it as it should be, is truly a game changer for so many issues. Now, we actually had a really interesting experience with you when you were about 18 or 19.
Yeah, probably 18 or 19, about my S's, the slur.
The slur that you had, yes.
I was unconscious of this. I didn't even fully realize until Deanna told me that I was slurring my S's and making them shhs. So instead of strength,
Sound funny.
Yeah, exactly. Instead of me saying strength, I would say strength. And that's a word I would use all the time. Like, that's when I was in my probably heaviest bodybuilding years. And again, that makes perfect sense to me too, because I was compressed. I was more of an angry guy back then, and I was just trying to get big. So I'm sure there's a lot of clenching going on which caused that to happen. So Deanna's like, I can fix that. I'm like, no way. And then, well, I knew you could, but I'm like, that's crazy. Like, how are you gonna be my speech therapist now and adjust this? So we worked with the block. Deanna worked around like these areas too, showed me what to do with my hands, even when I'm driving. So it's not like I'm specifically taking time out of my day just to do this. So once I released that, Deanna's like, wow, you sound different. I'm like, I feel different. I do sound different. So then I just practiced saying strength and any word that was ST instead of strength. And that changed everything. Now, once I did that for, I don't know, it could have been a few weeks, a month maybe, it was gone. And then I never went back to that previous way.
Even one of the people on the call afterward, when we did that virtual intensive, she also said that her S's had a bit of a slur for her whole life. And that after that 2-hour class, her S was clean and clear. So again, it's
That's
just
crazy.
understanding what is causing what, and the tongue muscle is necessary to move, just like the hands, you know, like we have all these incredible refined movements, and the tongue as well, in order to create the sounds that we need to create. If the tongue is stuck and held and it can't move with full range of motion, that's going to affect our ability to
Absolutely.
enunciate words and make those crisp, clear sounds.
Right.
So again, like it's amazing, because it's not only jaw pain, you know, if the jaw is held out of alignment, that affects blood flow to the teeth, to the gums, the eyes, the hair,
Absolutely.
everything up the chain. And again, we have to look at the full body in order to understand what's holding us forward out of that alignment. And the more I continue to observe people, the more I realize the calves are such a holding pattern, because every step you take, if that fascia that is furthest away from the engine, the diaphragm muscle, is frozen, every step you take, it's going to keep pulling you into that negative alignment. So with block therapy, we address the body as a whole. We always start in the core. And why do we do that?
Well, to address the breath.
Yes.
So we got to make sure we're breathing properly. That's number one. And again, if the breath, I've actually thought of this, if the breath had no part in being a human to survive, we would probably start from the feet up as a foundation.
Yep.
But because the breath is that internal engine that's oxygenating our entire body and cleaning out our cells from the garbage that's trapped within us, that's why we always start with the core, and then we'll move to the pelvis and the legs, and then we can work our way back up.
Yes, exactly. So if this is something that you're dealing with, and again, there's multiple different symptoms that you may be experiencing with a jaw that's out of alignment, again, how do people find us?
Yeah, so again, visit unblockyourbody.com. I'll have that link pop up just on the screen here. And other than that, if you guys want to ask Deanna and I a question or multiple questions, you can use the hashtag AskBlockTherapy and just ask your question directly on that hashtag, or you can email us info@fluidisometrics.com, or you can just go to our website, blocktherapy.com. There's a section where you can personally ask us those questions, and we will definitely address that on one of our Fascia Masters episodes.
Breathe and believe.